You've decided to give Luxor a try, and now you have to decide, do I want to stay in a pyramid room or do I want to stay in a tower room? We are going to take you through room tours of both types of rooms and give you a couple of tips on how to make that decision a little bit easier. Let's get to it. If you're staying in a pyramid, you actually don't ride elevators to get to your room. Even though the signs might be misleading, you're actually going to ride an inclinator because obviously a pyramid is at an angle. So you're going to ride up at an angle to get to your room. Now, as far as location of these elevators, there are 4 different areas in each corner of the pyramid. And so really the location of where your elevator will be dependent on where your room is located. If you're staying in the pyramid, the hallways are actually exposed to the pyramid itself. So we've actually stayed here before where we've walked out into the hallway and we've been sort of close to the food court here behind me, and you just smell the grease coming up. So it's a little gross to smell that grease when you're just walking through the hallway to get to your room. Let's have a look at the pyramid room we stayed in. We were in a Pyramid Premier King, which is about 420 square feet. It actually felt much larger than what I was expecting. The one thing that it does not have though is a closet. So the wardrobe you see is all of the area that you have to hang your clothes. But there were plenty of drawers. There was a nice desk area and the bed was very comfortable. We slept well. The bathroom is pretty simple. It actually reminded me a little bit of the bathroom at Excalibur as far as the decor is concerned. However, the shower felt more updated and the shower pressure in here was excellent if that's something that you were looking forward to. I'm right outside of the Uber Lyft area, the rideshare area, and to my right is the West Towers, and to my left is the East Towers. If you're going to be using rideshare while you're here, especially if you're using it all the time, this is a perfect place to be because you can just come right in, get to your hotel room very quickly, you don't have to go through the casino, and you don't have a long walk. This room is the Tower Premier King. This was 449 square feet, so just a tad larger than the pyramid room, but there were much higher ceilings. The decor in here was a little more sleek and modern, just felt a little bit cleaner, if you will. Also, no closets in this room. You just have the wardrobe there that's attached to this desk/entertainment area. And there are drawers though, so no need to worry about storage space. We felt that it was adequate. But the one thing I think that is different about this room is the bathroom layout. So if you recall, the other one just had a shower, it was pretty small. This one has a little bit more updated fixtures and countertops, although the gold is not really my thing. But it was nice to have a bathtub if you want to take a bath after a long day. I hope this video helped you a little bit in your decision-making process on which room to stay at the Luxor. If you want to see a full tour of the Luxor, be sure to check out this video here. And if you want to check out Diablo's Cantina while you're here, check out this video so you can see what's on the menu. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.